now Sneha.
Yes, sir. Let me share
Yes.
my screen. I share my screen from Daya's device.
Okay. Yes, Lata and Nandita, you ask question in the comment to Kishan.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Shall I start?
Ha, yes, you start.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today I would like to present on a neoclassical era. My topic is comparison between Pamela and Jane Eyre. First, I talk about Pamela. Pamela was written by Samuel Richardson. He was born in 1689. This novel is considered the first true English novel. It was published 1740, in which we find a main theme is virtue. It was a epistolary novel. It was a romance novel. After we see Jane Eyre. Jane Eyre was written by Charlotte Bronte. She was born in 21st April 1816. She died in 31 March 1815. This novel was published 16 October 1847. In a novel, we find a theme like love, independence, family. This novel genre is gothic fiction. This is also a romance novel. So first, there is a comparison between Pamela and Jane Eyre. Events are quite similar in both novels. Pamela is a lower class girl who, by overcoming many obstacles, is able to marry her master, Mr. B, who she loves and thus climbs the social ladder. Jane is a poor middle class girl who eventually has the fortune of marrying the man she loves, her master, Mr. Rochester. Both refuse to live with Mr. B and Mr. Rochester without marrying them. Both novels provide a cautionary tale against affairs outside of marriage, showing what could happen to Pamela and Jane if they had given into the offers by Mr. B and Rochester. We see that the appearance of clergymen are both same in a both novels. Both protagonists express a need to get away from their masters. The social difference between young girls and their future husbands are different and at that time similar. The appearance of the fortune teller. In Pamela, the appearance of the fortune teller used as a warning. And in Jane Eyre, appearance of the fortune teller is used as way to get into the thought of the young girl. In both novels, Mr. B and Mr. Rochester have a past one would not necessarily be proud of. The appearance of the child of Mr. B and that of Mr. Rochester seems to have the same function in both novels. Both Jane and Pamela are very class conscious. Other type of intertextuality present in both is a verbal echoes. Both are concerned with a Christian virtues and their faith is in a integral part of their characters. Jane, like Pamela, persists in referring to Rochester as a my master, though without the superlative that Pamela uses for Mr. B. These are few similarity in these two novels. Here my reference is. Thank you.
Yeah, keep open that slide, last reference slide.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This Berg Christine's article, no? So it will go with Sivest, Sivertson. Sivertson should come first. That seems to be a good quality article. Okay. And the last one also. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Questions? Yeah.
Yes, Jyoti. Which important common
Yes.
which important common thing do you find in both the characters?
There are few quite similarities, but one common thing is that they both are somewhat confused about her own social identity. They both are very class conscious. It is.
Thank you, Sneha.
Yeah.